We said before that PowerPoint can either be used as a live presentation, as a visual aid to a live presentation, or it could also be packaged into a file that can be sent to someone or put on a disk, and someone can view the presentation from the original file. And the way to do that is we have to go into File, and we see here we have an option that's called Package for CD. This is very important to know because sometimes you're going to create a file and a presentation, and you're going to give it to someone who may not necessarily have the program PowerPoint, so you might be wondering, how is he going to be able to view this presentation? So the way we do it is within the menu of packaging for a CD, we first we come up with a name for the presentation that will appear on the CD, and then of course we have to go ahead and make sure that the file is present. Here we see that our file, obviously the one that is opened, is going to be present, but if we want to go and add files, let's say we have other documents or another PowerPoint presentation that we want to add in, we can also add it in at this time. And if we go to options, the important thing I wanted to point out is that over here the top option is that we want to include the PowerPoint viewer. Now that means that there's going to be a small viewer, a program so to speak, that's going to be included in your PowerPoint presentation on the CD, and that viewer is going to allow people that don't have PowerPoint installed on their computer to view your presentation. That's called a PowerPoint viewer. It's very important that we keep that checked so that people without the program will be able to view your presentation, and therefore you don't have to worry about it. You can just package it onto the CD and give it to whoever you like, and then we go ahead and it will actually burn it to the CD. Once we say copy to the CD, it will actually go ahead and start burning it on the CD. Obviously you would need a CD burner to use the application. So that's the way that we would be able to close our application, put it on a CD, and give it to anyone we want without worrying whether they have PowerPoint or whether they'll be able to view it, either because they don't have the program or they have a different version of the program.